What's significant about this area is the technology and the innovation that went into winning the tin and copper ore from under the ground, and in the end from actually under the ocean itself, over a mile out to sea in some places. This place provided the raw materials for the Industrial Revolution, and it provided technology to other countries. So that's why it's a World Heritage Site, and that's why it's so important to us as a conservation charity that we continue to look after this place forever and for everyone. Tin Coast is approximately 7 miles long. There are many places that we look after as a conservation charity along this coast, but people can see places like Patalic where we are now, and the Crowns mines behind me, but also the Vant with its working steam engine, and Cape Cornwall as well, with beautiful views out across the Atlantic Ocean. These sites contain the best concentration of combined tin and copper processing remains in the world, because they haven't been subject to the same pressure of development that other places have. You can still see so much here in the landscape. So there are many people working here on the Tin Coast to make sure its conservation is right and make sure it lasts forever into the future. We're working in partnership now with the local community and local organisations to try and ensure that this place can be enjoyed, but be enjoyed sustainably, so that the local community and local people benefit from tourism that happens here. Basically, we want to make improvements to local infrastructure, we want to make improvements to the way that the sites are connected and joined up, and we want to be able to tell the story of this place for generations to come, so that the story of the amazing area that we're in now and its history will live on.
The Tin Coast is an extremely popular place for walking, and we continue to maintain footpaths and access here. It costs £18,000 a year just to look after the coast path that we are responsible for in this area. We rely on memberships, donations and legacies so that people can continue to love the views and wildlife can thrive. Nature now plays a leading role in this landscape, with peregrine falcons and Cornish choughs both nesting in the cliffs. Many other species find habitat here among the spoil heaps and adits. We work closely with tenant farmers to graze the land and create vegetation to provide food and cover for birds, butterflies and insects. The countryside team are continually maintaining safe access, wildlife habitats and mining remains at our sites to ensure that the Tin Coast is conserved forever for everyone.